So what is going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to do affiliate marketing with AI. So as you can see, guys, so I basically use AI to create these cool thumbnails. For example, if I scroll down, you are going to see like these ugly thumbnails. So I create those in Canva. So I just took a picture of me and then put these words and stuff, and then I start using for example Gemini, and you can see these cool thumbnails. And these are pretty simple to create, guys. I only upload my photo and then ask, for example, put me in a studio with books and working on a laptop with a cell phone, and check this out. So that being said, guys, I'm going to show you. So this is my affiliate dashboard. And affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products, and basically these are the products that I promote. You can see the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Breakthrough 3.0, and the latest product that I'm promoting is this course, AI Freedom Launchpad. And this is my affiliate link, guys. If someone buys through that link, I'm going to earn a commission, and I'm going to show you because it's important to promote something that you believe. So for example, before I start to promote these products, I bought them. So check this out. This is the AI Freedom Launchpad. And here you are going to see that. So this is the whole course. And basically this course teaches people how to start with AI, how to start learning all the strategies. For example, how to create pictures, how to create videos, and for example how to clone yourself if you want, and use that clone to basically create that video of your clone and upload it in all your social media, in case that if you don't want to create the video by yourself. So let's moving on, guys. So this is the course that I'm promoting. You can see it has 4 phases. Phase number 1, beginner intro to AI. Phase number 2, create the perfect AI clone assistant. Phase number 3, AI content creation, and phase number 4, AI video creation. Now, before start creating content, guys, for example on YouTube or Google, it's important to know what people are searching, what are the keywords that people are searching. And check this out. If I put here affiliate marketing, United States, and if I choose YouTube search, and if I scroll down, you're going to see these related queries. For example, these are the keywords that people are searching on YouTube: CPA affiliate marketing, how to start Amazon affiliate marketing, AI affiliate marketing, high ticket affiliate marketing, and make money with affiliate marketing. So check this out. AI affiliate marketing has 1,300 searches per month. So the purpose of this strategy is to know what people are searching for, and then creating content about that keyword so people can see your content about this information. So for example, if I choose AI affiliate marketing, basically what I do is that then I go to VidIQ. So this is a software that I use to for example know what are the questions that people are searching on YouTube. So for example, check this out. Here I put the keyword AI affiliate marketing, and then these are the questions that people are asking YouTube. Search questions that contain my search keyword. And check this out. I can scroll down, and here I have the search volume, and here the competition. So if you can find a keyword that has a high search volume and then a low competition, and if you can create videos, you can put those keywords in your title, in the description of your YouTube videos, and in the tags, it's going to be a matter of time that people are going to find you for the videos that you are creating. So let me go here, for example, you can see how to do affiliate marketing with AI. It has a low competition stat, and it has 1,739 searches per month, which is okay. Though basically I like to choose here the keywords that has a high volume search and a low competition. So for example, for this video or for this live call, so I choose the keyword how to do affiliate marketing with AI, how to do. And then if I go to YouTube, I usually do a keyword research here, how to do affiliate marketing with AI. And then I use another software, the name is Tubebuddy, and Tubebuddy is going to analyze if the title with those keywords are going to help me rank the YouTube video on my channel. So check this out. So you can see that I have here like a lot of stats, but the one that I'm going to use right now, it's this one. So these are the stats of Tubebuddy. I'm going to click here for the weighted score because I want to know if this keyword is going to help my YouTube channel grow, guys. So check this out, how to do affiliate marketing with AI. And Tubebuddy is going to tell me if this keyword is good for my YouTube channel. So it's very good. It has 80 from 100. So that's good. And here I have like two stats, the unweighted and the weighted score. But for me, I'm looking for the weighted score because this is for my YouTube channel. So that means that I can create a video with this keyword, how to do affiliate marketing with AI. And if I optimize well my YouTube video, I'm going to have a high probability that YouTube is going to share that video with more people. So that being said, guys, so this is like the first step before start creating content and using the AI, these AI tools that I'm going to show you right now. So having this keyword, I can copy this keyword and then go to Chatgpt. And basically here, I can ask Chatgpt to write a YouTube script for this keyword or for this title. And basically Chatgpt is going to give me the whole script, guys. And for example, when I started like creating these YouTube videos, it was super difficult for me like start. So first of all, I speak in English, and second of all, like what I'm going to say in that video. And right now, Chatgpt can give you the whole script. Now you can like tweak it or change it. For example, if you don't like some paragraph, you can ask Chatgpt to change it. So AI is replacing affiliate marketers. AI isn't replacing affiliate marketers, it's empowering them. So you need to like read the whole script, right? And then the next step is to record the video. And then, so basically you can use like your phone. It's simple nowadays to like using your phone to record yourself. And then once you have your video, you can create a good thumbnail, for example, using Gemini. So I use Gemini to create my thumbnail. So I have been like testing these two tools, Chatgpt and Gemini, but I like more Gemini. So basically what I do, guys, is that I upload my photo. For example, I put something like, put this person working on his, so you can put like anything here. Put this person working on his laptop. And another thing that I have seen, so check this out. So this is pretty cool. I'm working here in the beach. So another thing that I have seen is that, so ChatGPT, it takes like more time to create the thumbnail. Basically, I like more Gemini because so Gemini like creates like more professional thumbnails. So the next step, guys, is to, so after you upload the video in your YouTube channel and you optimize well, Now I'm going to go to my YouTube channel, so because I want to explain you the optimization part. So optimize a video means that the keyword of the title, it needs to be in the thumbnail, in the name of the thumbnail, here in the title, in the description, and I'm going to scroll down because it needs to be here as well in the tags. So I'm going to open this video, guys, because I use Tubebuddy to know if the video is well optimized. Okay, so what's up, guys? Okay, you're going to see that it's going to appear like more stats here in the right part of my YouTube video. And check this out. Tubebuddy is going to, I usually use Tubebuddy to see if the video is optimized. So it's taking a little bit, guys, but here we have. So it has 65, guys. So if you can like have here 100, is going to, it's better. So for example, for this video I need to work, if I go here where it says SEO score, you can see that the tags in the title and description, it has 10 from 20. So I need to improve that. And the tags in the title, 10 from 20. I need to add more tags in the description, 5 from 20. So those are the things that I need to work on this video to optimize better. And then what I'm doing right now, guys, is that I'm like analyzing if the thumbnails are increasing my click-through rate. And so how you can do that? If you go to your analytics and then go to reach, so check this out. This video has 5.4%, so it's not that bad. But if you can have here a high click-through rate, this is going to share that video with more people, guys. So let's check this one. If I go to reach, so check this out. This one has 3.4%. So that means that this thumbnail is not working very well. If I go, for example, this one that has 20 views, so check. So I created this video to promote the AI Freedom Launchpad. Let's see the reach. So it has 5.1%. So the goal of this thing, guys, is that to increase the click-through rate. If you can increase that stat, you are going to have more probabilities that YouTube is going to share that video with more people. Okay, guys. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments and talk to you soon.